Imagine sinking your teeth into a tender, flaky piece of fish, infused with the smoky aroma of the grill. The crispy skin gives way to juicy, flavorful flesh, seasoned to perfection with a simple blend of herbs and spices. This is the irresistible allure of grilled fish, a culinary delight that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious to savor. Grilling fish is a fantastic way to enjoy the fresh flavors of the sea, enhanced by the unique char and smokiness that only a grill can impart. It's a healthy and flavorful cooking method that requires minimal effort, making it perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions alike. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice in the kitchen, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to grill fish like a pro. From choosing the freshest catch to mastering the art of marinades, we'll explore every step of the process, ensuring that your grilled fish is bursting with flavor and cooked to perfection. We'll delve into the importance of each ingredient, the essential tools for grilling success, and the secrets to achieving that desirable crispy skin and tender flesh. So, fire up your grill, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a dish that's as simple as it is impressive. Grilled fish that's bursting with flavor and cooked to perfection. Selecting the right fish is crucial to achieving grilling success. Opt for fish that's firm, shiny, and free from any strong odor. The flesh should spring back to the touch, indicating freshness. Look for clear, bright eyes, as cloudy or sunken eyes are a sign of aging. When it comes to grilling, oily fish like salmon, tuna, swordfish, and mahi-mahi are excellent choices. Their higher fat content helps them stay moist and flavorful during grilling. Whitefish like cod, haddock, and sea bass can also be grilled, but they require a bit more attention to prevent drying out. Don't hesitate to ask your fishmonger for recommendations. They can guide you towards the freshest catch and suggest fish varieties that are particularly well suited for grilling. Remember, the quality of your ingredients will directly impact the flavor of your final dish. So, choose wisely and savor the taste of fresh, flavorful fish. Marinades are the secret weapon to infusing your fish with flavor and ensuring it stays moist and tender during grilling. A simple marinade can transform a simple piece of fish into a culinary masterpiece. Marinades typically consist of three key components: acid, oil, and seasonings. The acid, such as lemon juice, vinegar, or yogurt, helps to break down the fish proteins, resulting in a more tender texture. The oil, such as olive oil or avocado oil, adds moisture and helps to prevent the fish from sticking to the grill. Seasonings, such as herbs, spices, garlic, and ginger, infuse the fish with flavor and create a tantalizing aroma. To marinate your fish, simply combine your chosen ingredients in a bowl or resealable bag. Add the fish, ensuring it's fully coated in the marinade. Allow the fish to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or up to a few hours for maximum flavor infusion. Remember to discard the marinade after use for food safety. Before you fire up the grill, gather the essential tools that will ensure grilling success. A good pair of long-handled tongs is crucial for safely flipping and maneuvering the fish on the grill. A fish spatula with its thin, flexible blade is ideal for gently lifting delicate fish fillets without breaking them. A grill brush is essential for cleaning the grill grates before and after cooking, preventing food from sticking and ensuring even heat distribution. A meat thermometer will help you determine the fish's internal temperature, ensuring it's cooked to perfection. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. Investing in a grilling basket can be a game changer, especially for delicate fish fillets or smaller pieces that might fall through the grates. A grilling basket provides a secure cooking surface, allowing you to easily flip and move the fish without worrying about it falling apart. Section 5. Grilling to Perfection, a step-by-step guide. Now that you have your tools and ingredients ready, it's time to fire up the grill and embark on the grilling journey. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, ensuring the grates are clean and well-oiled to prevent sticking. Remove the fish from the marinade and gently pat it dry with paper towels. This will help achieve a crispy skin. Place the fish on the hot grill grates, presentation side down. Allow it to cook undisturbed for a few minutes, allowing those beautiful grill marks to form. Resist the urge to constantly flip the fish. Instead, let it cook for a few minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the fish. Use your tongs or fish spatula to carefully flip the fish once the underside is nicely seared and easily releases from the grates. Continue grilling until the fish is cooked through, flaky and opaque. Section 6. The art of garnishing, a feast for the eyes. Garnishing is the final touch that elevates your grilled fish from a simple meal to a visual masterpiece. A well-chosen garnish can add a burst of color, flavor, and texture, enhancing both the presentation and the taste of your dish. Fresh herbs such as parsley, cilantro, dill, and chives are classic garnishes for grilled fish. They add a vibrant touch of green and complement the fish's flavor with their aromatic notes. Lemon wedges or slices are another popular choice, providing a refreshing burst of citrus that cuts through the richness of the fish. For a more elaborate presentation, consider creating a colorful salsa with diced tomatoes, onions, peppers, and cilantro. A dollop of creamy avocado crema or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds can add a touch of elegance and visual appeal. Section 7. Serving with style. Creating a culinary masterpiece. The way you serve your grilled fish can enhance the dining experience, creating a sense of occasion and visual delight. Consider serving the fish on a bed of fluffy rice, quinoa, or couscous, which will absorb the flavorful juices and create a complete meal. A side of grilled vegetables such as asparagus, zucchini, or bell peppers will complement the fish with their smoky flavor and vibrant colors. A simple salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette will add a refreshing touch to the meal. For a more elegant presentation, arrange the grilled fish on a platter, garnished with your chosen accompaniments. Use different colors and textures to create visual interest. Arrange the fish in a fan shape or create a centerpiece with a mound of rice or couscous. Section 8. Exploring flavor combinations. A world of possibilities. The beauty of grilling fish lies in the endless flavor possibilities. Experiment with different marinades, spices, and herbs to create unique and tantalizing taste combinations. Don't be afraid to venture beyond the traditional and explore flavors from around the world. For a Mediterranean twist, marinate your fish with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. For an Asian-inspired flavor, try a marinade with soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and a touch of honey. For a taste of the Caribbean, marinate your fish with lime juice, jerk seasoning, and a drizzle of honey. The possibilities are endless, so let your creativity run wild and discover your favorite flavor combinations. Section 9. Health benefits of grilled fish. A delicious and nutritious choice. Grilled fish is not only a culinary delight but also a nutritious choice packed with health benefits. Fish is an excellent source of protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. It's low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy option. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, particularly oily fish like salmon and tuna, have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and enhanced brain function. Fish is also a good source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in bone health and immune function. Grilling is a healthy cooking method that requires minimal added fat, preserving the fish's nutritional value. By choosing fresh, high-quality fish and grilling it to perfection, you can enjoy a meal that's both delicious and beneficial for your overall well-being. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the joy of grilling. Grilling fish is a rewarding culinary experience that combines simplicity, flavor, and health benefits. From choosing the freshest catch to mastering the art of marinades and grilling to perfection, the process is both enjoyable and fulfilling. So fire up your grill, gather your ingredients, and embrace the joy of grilling. Experiment with different flavors, garnishes, and presentations, creating culinary masterpieces that will tantalize your taste buds and impress your guests. With a little practice and a dash of creativity, you can become a grill master, delighting in the irresistible allure of perfectly grilled fish.